Hello viewers, and welcome to our new video. In this video, we will be discussing how we can select objects in AutoCAD. There are different ways we can select our objects in the AutoCAD drawing, so let's start our video. The first way to select an object is to move the cursor on the object and press left click. The object gets selected. It is for very precise selection of the drawing objects. The second way is the normal window. You see, if we want to select this object on a drawing, first left click and move this window so that all the objects are inside this window, and then press left click. We get the object selected. The next thing is the cross window. Here you see the cross window is different in color. Earlier the normal window was in blue color, the cross window is in green color, whereas the rectangle is dotted. You see it is dotted in shape. Whereas in the normal window, we have this solid line. So by selecting through cross window, it is not necessary that all the objects come inside this window. If we have a smallest part of the object inside this window, it will get selected. So let's press it here. You see the whole object has been selected. So even if we have a very minor part inside this window of this object, it will get selected. The next way to select a whole lot of or any kind of object in a drawing is using the QSELECT command. So let's enter QSELECT. Select your drawing for which you need quick selection. See what object types are there in the drawing. We have lines, polyline, text. Let's say we want to select all the text in the selection. Select text, and then we have other categories. If you want to select a certain text of a certain color, we select the property as color equals red. It will select all the text that is red in color. Let's say we want to select all the text. Then we have to select operator equals select all, so all text will be selected in the current selection. Press OK. You see the text is selected. The number of items selected is 132. If I apply the erase command, you see it has been deleted. You see some text has not been selected. Why? Because this is the multi-text. Earlier we selected the text only. Text means it is the single line text, whereas for multi-text we have to select the MText or multi-text. Let's do it. Again, use the quick select command. Select your area. Let's see what objects are there. We can't see the text anymore. We have MText. Let's press the MText. Operator equals select all. So all MText will be selected. Okay. You see here, all MText has been selected. We can erase that, we can move that, we can change its layer, and we can do a lot of things. Thanks for watching our video.